provision is stopped to be open, the provision to be given to the everybody. Inside cantonment. That's two major decisions.
These are the only decisions. Important is at this moment the virus is increasing, the cases are increasing. किती झाला?
See, virus is आपल्या care घेवपाक जाय virus increasing.
तुला लोक बाबा मारता मास टेस्टिंग जावंक ना म्हणून आनी इतले आमी भितर आसा पण आमकां टेस्टूच करूंक ना.
See, there are many other minor issues that have been discussed. That's here in brief.
But don't you think that panel has been insisting, your councillors have been insisting, everybody was insisting lockdown at least that area, containment zone केला पण किती झाले?
See, what happened? Whatever decision were taken, the decision were taken with good interest.
But were they right or wrong?
Whether they were right or wrong, then I can't answer.
You were the one who was asking for lockdown, sir.
Yeah, I had asked for lockdown at that time.
देऊन झाले ते हप्ता देऊन नका आले ते.
But then that is a decision of the Home Department.
Yeah, that is fine. But you think so? At that time when you had asked, you should have been given control दाखवायचं का म्हणून?
See, I'm a layman, I'm a politician.
Hey, you are a MLA, layman politician काय sir? You are also a part of it. तुम्ही
Part of it. See, as per MHA guidelines, after last 28 days off आहे.
तुझ्या फाटल्यान काउन्सिलर येतो देखून म्हणटालो लॉकडाऊन म्हणटालो तुझ्या बरोबर तुमचंच ऐकून सर.
After the last case, 28 days to go. So we have to, no, after last case.
ओके आता
28 days.
आता बेस्ट सोल्युशन किती दिला? असं सोल्युशन
The solution should be, they should be given the essentials to everybody.
एसेन्शियल दिलें जाल्यार ते स्प्रेड जावपाक बंद जावचो ना सर ताका कितें आहा?
No, see, spreading is other issue, but first they look after them.
Today as a CM, what about to declare on किती announce केलं?
ना एक म्हणल्यार एसेन्शियल लोकांक दिवपा जाय. एसेन्शियल दिवपा and then mass testing will be done.
मास टेस्टिंग माग लागा म्हणटा तुम्ही लेकिन दॅट्स व्हाट आय एम आस्किंग.
It will be done.
CM ची किती announcement?
The mass testing will be done. CM promised us.
ओके
Huh?
ते भायर येवपाक शकना जो इनकम लॉस करता ते तो विषय डिस्कस केलो.
See, income is health of the life is important than income.
सर लाइफ
गव्हर्नमेंट कडेन एसेन्शियल सप्लाय करता ते A to Z जायना. They have to purchase.
No, that CM has said whatever you all want, please tell. We'll provide them.
ओके
Thank you.